On this episode of Ask the Pig, we're talking about phone numbers being active. In a nutshell, when a phone number is active, it means you can actually pick up the phone, dial the number, and you get through. You don't hear that beep, beep, beep disconnect signal. You know what I'm talking about? You want it to be active if you're about to port it or transfer it from one provider to another. If the number is not active, it's likely not going to port unless you have some special agreement with that carrier. So, if you are considering porting a number to NumberBarn or away from NumberBarn, make sure the number is active. And how do you check this? Call it. If you're not sure that your number is active, contact your service provider. They'll be able to help point you in the right direction if your number is active. And if you're ever in your online account and you see a delete button, don't click it. Unless you really need to, because when you click it, that means it's going to delete your number and it's no longer going to be active. Of course, there are things that may differ from provider to provider, but when it comes to NumberBarn and you want to port away, just make sure you do not delete your number until it ports to your new provider. And the same goes when you're porting to us. Make sure that number is active and not deleted until it ports over to the barn. To learn more about porting a number, click the links below this video and we'll guide you through the steps. If you have any questions along the way, just reach out to our customer support. If you'd like to have a question featured on our show, be sure to send us an email and let us know. In the meantime, you know the drill. Happy trails!